Hello, welcome. In this very video I will show you guys on how to log into WeChat account using your computer. For those of us that have WeChat on our smartphones, you can still log in with your smartphone, but for the sake of this tutorial, in this course I will show you guys on how to contact your suppliers with WeChat. WeChat has a desktop version which you can download for your computer. So let me show you guys on how to contact your suppliers on WeChat. So I have to scan my QR code. So this is how WeChat looks like on desktop. So let's say we have our supplier saved on our contact. You can easily see it here. Once you have added our supplier on our contact, then go to contact. You should see something like the new numbers you have added. Then go straight away to send that number a request. Once you have sent the number a request, wait for the supplier to accept your request. You have to wait because sometimes they might not be online, so you have to wait for them to accept your request. Once they have accepted your request, you can now send the messages. So that's how it works. You can now send the messages. And most importantly, you send the messages using Chinese. Don't send the messages in English, because sometimes you may send the messages in English, which may even scare them away. But when you try to chat them for the first time, send the message in English. And the most common way to send a message in Chinese is sending hello. You have to translate this hello to Chinese, which you have to go to Google Translator to translate hello to Chinese, which is ni hao. Then copy it, then paste it here. Once you have pasted it, then send. I don't have to send it because I don't have anything to talk about with this supplier. So if you're using a smartphone to send messages to your supplier on WeChat, once they reply you in Chinese, you will see translate. Just click on translate and the message will be translated to you. Now you can now go back to translate and type in your messages in English, then translate back again, then go back to your WeChat. Keep doing the same thing all over and all over again. Notice how stressful it can be, and this is one of the reasons why agents charge a lot of money for placing order on your behalf. So you have to understand this is how it works. So in the next video I will explain to you how this thing works after contacting your seller, what next to do, and how you have to process it.